like it?
Not him, not him.
Oh my god!
You like it?
This is right.
Is it right colors?
You like the blue?
Yeah.
Blue stain. Yeah. It'll be blue.
Right here.
Yeah. You see? You go around.
Mommy.
Yeah. Bobby's gotta do them touch-ups and then it'll be done. Do you like the blue? Do you think the blue should stay up there too? Oh, you think the blue's coming off? Do you like it? Mariela, you like it? Mariela? That's the pink paint. Bobby's gotta do the edges. Don't touch. Do you like it? Hmm? You like your room paint? Do you like it? Bella, you like it?
That one's gonna be my room.
Yeah, is it your favorite?